We're at John and Becky Beasley's today. We're at their house. I just removed the netting off the pond. The netting is located over here. Last time I did them was December 27th, 2010, and that's the netting there. Went on ahead and scooped out all the leaves out of the skimmer here and put them on the top of the skimmer box, and we'll dump those in a minute. We scooped out all the leaves in the bottom of the pond, and we're going to vacuum right over here and vacuum all the string algae out and pick up all the debris and vacuum out all the debris all the way up to the top of the stream bed up there, and vacuum around the edge of the pond here, here, and here, and clean up the edge of the pond a little bit as well, and just suck up some of the debris that's on the bottom. And this is it over here. This is the debris. We got a little bit of string algae there, as you can see, so we gotta see if we can scoop up a little bit of that and suck it up with the wetback today. And that's what we're doing. We've lowered the water level in the pond. It's down to the lower brick here. We'll wet back all this out and suck out all of this and clean it up and suck up all the material that's in the stream bed all the way, all the debris and stuff all the way up to the top. And the pond is about 2 inches low right now, and the filter's been backwashed and the system's been backwashed, and I'll give it one final scooping with the net when I'm done here, and we'll start wet backing now. This is February 29th, 2011.